Hey, how's it going, guys? Josh and Aurelia here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg, standing on a new piece of inventory, a 2025 Saxdor 320 GTC. Come on board and let's take a look. This Saxdor 320 GTC is powered by the twin 300 V8 Verados. Just forward of that, you're going to have a huge bench seating area complemented by this table. These seats are reversible to make aft-facing loungers for when you're at the sandbar hanging out. A unique thing on the Saxdor, so either side they're going to have large platform doors, which widens the beam tremendously. And you're going to have this enclosed area where you can walk straight forward into your salon. As you walk into the salon, you're going to have a nice size sink here, accompanied by a twin burner Kenyan electric stove. You have nice bench seating here with a table that actually drops down that you can fill in. As you move forward to the helm, you're going to have twin Simrad multifunction displays accompanied by all your Bocatech switching and the Mercury joystick piloting option here. Before we step down below, you're going to notice a huge sunroof option here. If you don't choose to air condition the cabin while you're underway, you can open this up and enjoy the beautiful weather. And as we step down below, you're going to have a nice sized berth forward, accompanied by a head, and be closed off easily here. Now we'll move up to the bow. As we come up to the bow, you're going to notice nice high sides throughout, a beautiful sun lounger forward, and a skylight that goes down to your berth area down below. Easy access to your anchor locker. Again, this boat is available here at MarineMax in St. Petersburg. My name is Josh and Aurelia. Come by and let's help you get out on the water.